Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you how to identify and fix common keyboard issues on your BlackWidow V3 Mini. So, at first you have to turn your keyboard off. It is the most important thing, and because you can reset it automatically. So, after turning off your keyboard, take off your keycaps. It's best to remove them using the keycap puller. I do have my fingers, and you can do it with your fingers too. But yeah, now clean all the keycaps and all, just your keyboard. Clean your keyboard using the best for me this, as you can see, brush. You can buy it on Temu for around $5 to $10, something like that. And just you have to just clean your keyboard because it's the most important. Clean your switches, and yeah, this is the important thing, is because your keyboard might be lagging or just have some sticky keys, something like that. Apart from that, turn off your keyboard and turn it back on, setting up your keyboard with the 2.5 GHz connection. Apart from that, you can unplug your dongle and plug it back again to your PC. If you still have some issues, you have to do a hard reset, and to know how to do a hard reset, check out one because we have a video for that. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.